Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode, and today we're making a nice little sipping cocktail created by bartender Ted Kilgore in 2012. This is
The Devil's Soul.
I just had to do that. So this is a really good sipping cocktail. It's got a whole bunch of weird ingredients that you don't think would work, but somehow they do. It's really good. So we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. I'm using Rittenhouse for this one because we want a high proof rye here. So the rye is going to be the main spirit in this cocktail, but after that we're going to do 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. So this is going to add a little bit of smokiness to the cocktail, which you all know I love. We're going to follow that with 2 different Amaros. We're going to start with Averna, 1/2 ounce of Averna. So this is going to add a little bit of bitterness, but also some lovely spicy herbal notes. We're going to follow that with 1/4 ounce of Aperol. So our second Amaro. This, of course, still a little sweet and bitter, but adds some nice citrus notes as well. And lastly, we're going to do 1/4 ounce of Elderflower liqueur. This is St. Germaine. So this, of course, if you're familiar with the liqueur, very sweet and floral. So this is going to be a nice sweetener to our drink. And that's it. Those are the ingredients. As you can tell, you're probably thinking, what the hell kind of a mix of ingredients are these? Yeah, it's really weird, but stick with me. This is a great drink. I mean, I think that's the mark of a good bartender, able to bring together some really strange ingredients and create a really well-balanced drink. So this is one of those. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that bell, get notified when we release new content. All right, we are cracking ice into our glass, getting it nice and filled. And then we will commence Operation Stir. So we're stirring for a good 10-15 seconds. This is all booze, so we don't want to shake, but we want to give it a good amount of chill, good amount of dilution. Especially these booze-heavy drinks, a little bit of dilution is not a bad thing. All right. We move that aside. Let's get our julep strainer at the ready. Where is it? There she is. All right, we get your chilled Nick and Nora out of the freezer. And let's do our slow, sexy pour into the glass. I just love that color. All these Manhattan-esque drinks got that nice brown, reddish hue. Just a beautiful color. All right, for garnish, we're going to do an orange peel. All I've got is these mandarin oranges. They're a little harder to peel because they're so small. But, we'll make do. It'll work. Rub around the rim, give it a little twisty, and slide it right on the edge of the glass. I did cut it into a fancier shape off camera. All right, let's move all the bottles around, get ready for B-roll. And there she is. There is the Devil's Soul. So let's taste it. Obviously, it's rye forward, so very heavy on the rye, with a hint of smoke from the Mezcal, which is awesome. And after that, just a plethora of herbs and spices and floral notes from the Aperol, the Averna, the Elderflower. You know, if I didn't know what ingredients were in this, I probably wouldn't be able to guess. There's just so much going on, but it's a really good sipping cocktail. I urge you to try it. You won't be disappointed. And that's it for today, guys. We will see you next time with another video. On Friday, I have my Spice on the Rocks 2021 submission, so stay tuned.